Ease your cleanup worries with Blue Dumpsters Inc., your dumpster rental solution in East Greenville, Pennsylvania. Tackling a big cleanup project can feel like an uphill battle. Whether it's a home renovation, a garage clearout, or a landscaping project, the mess can seem daunting. But with Blue Dumpsters Inc., your cleanup worries disappear. As your go-to for dumpster rental in East Greenville, Pennsylvania, we make disposing of your unwanted items hassle-free. For less than you might think, you can have a dumpster right where you need it, making your project cleanup as easy as 1, 2, 3. Just give us a call at 215-999-2583 or visit us at www.bluedumpstersinc.com to schedule your rental. With our reliable service, you can focus on the project at hand and leave the mess to us. Blue Dumpsters Inc. is more than just a dumpster rental service. We're your partner in making big cleanups a breeze. Because at the end of the day, it's not just about the dumpster, it's about giving you back your space and peace of mind. Don't let the mess hold you back. Call Blue Dumpsters Inc. today, your solution for dumpster rental in East Greenville, Pennsylvania. Let's clean up together. Blue Dumpsters Inc., dumping your worries, not just your waste.